Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will teach you how to fix AirPods live listen not working and it's a live listen unavailable for current route. So let's start the video. So friends, before
Before
starting
starting
the
the
video,
video,
make sure all listening devices like headphones or earphones are disconnected. Let's start the video now. Method 1. Turn on hearing aid compatibility. Open the settings menu on your device, swipe down to see accessibility and tap on it. Swipe down again and tap on hearing. Here, turn off hearing aid compatibility. Method 2. Turn on automatic ear detection. Open the settings menu on your device, tap on Bluetooth and then tap on eye icon next to your AirPods name. Here, scroll down and turn off automatic ear detection. Method 3 is turn off background sound. Open the control center on your iPhone, then tap on hearing icon. Here, tap on background sound and turn off the background sounds volume. After that, turn on live listen. So
so
guys,
guys,
if
if
live
live
listen
listen
doesn't
doesn't
work
work
even
even
after
after
trying
trying
all the
all the
methods,
methods,
shutting
shutting
down
down
and
and
restarting
restarting
this will solve your problem. Thanks for watching this video.